Now more than ever, holds the fabric of our nation together at these grave and perilous times. Allow me to, for example, because if Kibaki was here, he wouldn't himself shy away from dealing with this matter. Yesterday, Kenya and the world witnessed the most unfortunate assault on democracy when security agents, acting on orders from above, lobbed tear gas at young students of Butere Girls High School and members of the press at the National Drama Festival in Nakuru. It is an act of criminality against basic values of common decency. It is a direct assault to our democracy and rights of Kenyans as enshrined in our Constitution. And Article 33 of our Constitution, which was given to us as a heritage by President Kibaki, every person has the right to freedom of expression. The guarantee for the Butere girls to perform their play without fear or intimidation. The artistic expression is protected under the law. Article 34 further guarantees the freedom and independence of the media. Let us be clear, this Ruto regime has crossed the Rubicon. To the courageous students of Butere Girls, your resolve, even as you sang our national anthem in the face of riot gear and arms, has become a renewed symbol of hope, just like our Gen Zs. You are the true guardians of Kenya's future, bold, unyielding, and principled. Let it be known today, as we honor President Kibaki, who promulgated our sacred document 15 years ago on August 27, 2010, that we will continue to defend the Constitution. We will protect all Kenyans' freedoms and rights, and we will not be silenced, not today, not now, not ever.